In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable macros in Microsoft Excel 365. Open Excel first. When the Excel Start screen appears, click Blank Workbook. Give it a moment to load the empty workbook fully. You'll know it's ready when you can see the ribbon across the top of the window and the main worksheet area is open. Next, go to the File tab in the top left corner of the ribbon. This opens the Backstage view, where Excel keeps program-level settings and file controls. In the left sidebar, scroll all the way down, then click Options near the bottom. That opens the Excel Options dialog in a separate window. In the Excel Options window, look to the left sidebar again and click Trust Center, which is located near the bottom of the list. On the right side of the window, click the button labeled Trust Center Settings. A new Trust Center dialog will open on top. Now in the Trust Center window, click Macro Settings in the left sidebar. On the right, you'll see 4 radio button choices for how Excel should handle VBA macros. The first option is Disable VBA macros without notification. This blocks macros completely and does not show any prompt. The second option is Disable VBA macros with notification. This is the default setting and it shows the yellow security banner, so you can decide whether to enable macros for each file. The third option is Disable VBA macros except digitally signed macros. This allows only signed macros from trusted publishers to run. The fourth option is Enable VBA macros not recommended. Potentially dangerous code can run. This allows all macros to run with no prompt. For most users, select Disable VBA macros with notification. That keeps the security prompt available so you can review each workbook before enabling anything. Choose Enable VBA macros only if you are working in a lockdown environment that you fully trust. You may also see a checkbox for Enable Excel 4.0 macros when VBA macros are enabled. Only tick that if you work with legacy XLM macros. Once you've made your selection, click OK at the bottom of the Trust Center window. Then click OK again at the bottom of the Excel Options window to return to your workbook. Close Excel completely, then reopen it once so the new setting takes effect for any files that were already open. At that point, your macro setting is enabled the way you chose, and Excel will either run macros automatically or show the yellow Enable Content banner instead of silently blocking them. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.